Welcome! Today we're diving into why a mobility routine is so important for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Mobility isn't just about being flexible, it's about how well your body can move through its full range of motion. Whether you're an athlete, an office worker, or just someone who wants to feel better day to day, mobility plays a crucial role in your overall health. In this video, we'll break down what mobility is, why it matters, and how you can start improving yours with simple routines. Let's get moving and discover how a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Mobility refers to the ability of your joints and muscles to move freely and efficiently. Unlike flexibility, which focuses mainly on stretching muscles, mobility is about how your joints move and how well your body can control those movements. Good mobility means you can squat, reach, twist, and bend without pain or restriction. It's the foundation for all physical activity, from walking and running to lifting and playing sports. Understanding this difference is key to building a routine that actually helps you move better in real life. As we age or spend more time sitting, our mobility naturally declines. Modern lifestyles often involve long hours at desks, driving, or using devices, which can lead to stiff joints and tight muscles. Over time, this lack of movement causes our bodies to lose the ability to move freely, making everyday tasks harder and increasing the risk of injury. The good news is, with regular mobility exercises, you can slow down or even reverse this decline, keeping your body feeling young and capable. Having good mobility isn't just about avoiding stiffness. It helps you move more efficiently, reduces your risk of injury, and can even improve your posture and balance. When your joints and muscles work well together, you'll find daily activities like climbing stairs, reaching for objects, or playing with your kids much easier. Plus, good mobility supports better performance in sports and workouts, allowing you to push yourself further without pain or strain. It's easy to confuse mobility with flexibility, but they're not the same. Flexibility is about how far a muscle can stretch, while mobility is about how well a joint moves through its range. For example, you might be able to touch your toes flexibility, but if your hips or ankles are stiff, your movement won't be smooth or strong, mobility. Both are important, but mobility is what really helps you move better and feel stronger in your daily life. Many people struggle with tight hips, stiff shoulders, or limited ankle movement. These issues can make it hard to perform basic movements like squatting, reaching overhead, or even walking comfortably. Often, these problems develop slowly over time due to repetitive movements, poor posture, or lack of exercise. Recognizing these common issues is the first step toward addressing them and improving your overall mobility. Poor mobility doesn't just affect athletes, it impacts everyone. If you find it hard to bend down, reach high shelves, or get up from the floor, mobility could be the reason. Over time, limited mobility can lead to compensations in your movement, causing pain in your back, knees, or neck. By working on your mobility, you can make everyday tasks easier and reduce discomfort in your daily routine. One of the biggest benefits of a mobility routine is injury prevention. When your joints move well and your muscles are balanced, you're less likely to strain or injure yourself during exercise or daily activities. Mobility exercises help strengthen the muscles around your joints, making them more stable and resilient. This means fewer aches, pains, and setbacks so you can stay active and healthy for longer. Mobility isn't just for young athletes, it's important at every age. Kids need it for healthy development, adults need it for work and play, and seniors need it to maintain independence. No matter your age, working on mobility can help you move better, feel better, and enjoy life more. It's never too early or too late to start a mobility routine. For athletes, mobility is a game changer. It allows for smoother, more powerful movements and helps prevent injuries that can sideline you from your favorite sports. Whether you're running, jumping, or lifting, good mobility lets you perform at your best. Even if you're not a professional athlete, improving your mobility can help you enjoy recreational sports and activities with less pain and more confidence. As we get older, maintaining mobility becomes even more important. It helps you stay independent, reduces the risk of falls, and keeps you active in your golden years. Regular mobility exercises can help counteract the effects of aging, keeping your joints healthy and your muscles strong. This means you can keep doing the things you love, from gardening to playing with grandchildren, for years to come. If you spend most of your day sitting at a desk, mobility is especially important. Sitting for long periods can cause tight hips, rounded shoulders, and a stiff back. A daily mobility routine helps counteract these effects, keeping your body balanced and reducing discomfort. Even a few minutes of movement each day can make a big difference in how you feel at work and at home. Did you know that moving your body can also boost your mood? Mobility routines aren't just good for your joints, they're great for your mind, too. Gentle movement helps reduce stress, improve focus, and increase feelings of well-being. Taking a few minutes each day for mobility can be a simple way to care for both your body and your mental health. If you struggle with aches and pains, a mobility routine might be just what you need. Many common pains, like back or knee discomfort, are linked to poor mobility. By improving how your joints and muscles move, you can often reduce or even eliminate these pains. Mobility exercises help restore balance and function to your body, making you feel better overall. Good mobility is key to good posture. When your joints move well and your muscles are balanced, it's easier to stand tall and sit comfortably. Poor mobility can lead to slouching, rounded shoulders, and a forward head position. By working on your mobility, you'll naturally improve your posture, which can help you look and feel more confident. Balance isn't just about standing on one leg, it's about how well your body can control movement. Good mobility helps your body stay stable and coordinated, reducing your risk of falls and injuries. Whether you're walking on uneven ground or playing sports, mobility gives you the foundation you need for better balance and control. Mobility and strength go hand in hand. When your joints move well, you can build strength more effectively and safely. Limited mobility can hold you back from reaching your full potential in the gym or during workouts. By improving your mobility, you'll be able to lift, push, and pull with better form and less risk of injury. Mobility exercises are a great way to recover from tough workouts or long days. Gentle movement helps increase blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and speed up recovery. Adding mobility work to your routine can help you bounce back faster and feel ready for your next activity, whether it's a workout or just another busy day. Feeling sluggish? A mobility routine can help boost your energy. Moving your body increases circulation, wakes up your muscles, and helps you feel more alert. Even a short session in the morning or during a break can give you a quick energy boost and help you stay focused throughout the day. Believe it or not, mobility routines can also help you sleep better. Gentle stretching and movement before bed can relax your body, ease tension, and prepare you for a restful night. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, try adding a short mobility routine to your evening wind-down. Staying mobile is one of the keys to a long, healthy life. People who maintain good mobility as they age are more likely to stay independent, active, and engaged with the world around them. A daily mobility routine is a simple investment in your future health and happiness. Mobility routines typically combine dynamic stretching, controlled movements, and joint rotations. These exercises help lubricate your joints, activate your muscles, and prepare your body for movement. Unlike static stretching, mobility work is active and often involves moving through different positions to challenge your range of motion. Dynamic stretching involves moving your joints and muscles through their full range of motion, while static stretching means holding a position for a period of time. Mobility routines focus more on dynamic movements, which better prepare your body for activity and help improve functional movement. Some of the best mobility exercises include hip circles, shoulder rolls, ankle rotations, and spinal twists. These movements target major joints and help keep your body moving smoothly. You don't need fancy equipment, just a few minutes and some open space. Start with simple exercises and gradually add more as you get comfortable. A simple mobility routine might start with neck circles, followed by shoulder rolls, hip openers, and ankle rotations. Spend about 30 seconds on each movement, focusing on smooth, controlled motions. This routine can be done in the morning, before a workout, or anytime you need a movement break. If you're new to mobility work, start slow and listen to your body. Focus on basic movements and gradually increase the range and intensity as you get more comfortable. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Even a few minutes a day can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Athletes can benefit from more advanced mobility routines that target specific joints and movement patterns. Incorporating mobility work into your warm-up and cool-down can help you perform better and recover faster. Focus on areas that are most used in your sport and don't neglect the rest of your body. For seniors, mobility routines should focus on gentle, low-impact movements that support balance and independence. Chair exercises, gentle stretches, and slow joint rotations are great options. Always move within a comfortable range and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you work at a desk, try adding mobility breaks throughout your day. Stand up, stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, and move your hips. These small breaks can help reduce stiffness, improve circulation, and keep you feeling energized and focused. Kids benefit from mobility work too. Encourage active play, stretching, and fun movement games. Good mobility helps kids develop coordination, balance, and strength, setting them up for a lifetime of healthy movement. Mobility is essential for sports performance. It allows athletes to move efficiently, react quickly, and avoid injuries. Sports like basketball, soccer, and tennis all require good mobility for quick changes in direction, jumping, and reaching. Adding mobility work to your training can give you a competitive edge. Functional fitness is all about movements that mimic real-life activities. Good mobility is the foundation of functional fitness, helping you move better in everyday life. Whether you're lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or playing with your kids, mobility makes these tasks easier and safer. Mobility routines are often used in rehabilitation after injuries or surgeries. Gentle, controlled movements help restore joint function and muscle balance. If you're recovering from an injury, working with a physical therapist on mobility exercises can speed up your recovery and prevent future problems. People with chronic conditions like arthritis or back pain can benefit greatly from mobility routines. Gentle movement helps reduce stiffness, manage pain, and improve quality of life. Always consult with your doctor or physical therapist before starting a new routine if you have a chronic condition. Mobility routines can support weight loss by making it easier to stay active and exercise regularly. When your body moves well, you're more likely to stick with your fitness routine and burn more calories. Plus, mobility work can help prevent injuries that might otherwise derail your progress. Mobility and flexibility training complement each other. While flexibility focuses on stretching muscles, mobility ensures your joints can move freely. Combining both in your routine gives you the best of both worlds, greater range of motion, and better control over your movements. Yoga is a fantastic way to improve mobility. Many yoga poses focus on moving joints through their full range and building strength at the same time. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, adding yoga to your routine can help you move better and feel more relaxed. Mobility exercises are perfect for warming up before workouts. They prepare your joints and muscles for more intense activity, reducing the risk of injury and improving performance. Try adding a few mobility moves to your warm-up to get the most out of your training. After a workout, mobility exercises can help your body cool down and recover. Gentle movements and stretches help relax your muscles, reduce soreness, and restore your range of motion. Make mobility work a regular part of your cool-down routine for the best results. Starting a mobility routine is simple. Choose a few exercises that target your major joints, set aside a few minutes each day, and focus on smooth, controlled movements. Track your progress and adjust your routine as you get stronger and more flexible. Remember, consistency is key. To get the most out of your mobility routine, make it a daily habit. Set reminders, keep your routine short and simple, and listen to your body. Don't push through pain, focus on quality, movement, and gradual progress. Celebrate your improvements, no matter how small. Keep track of your mobility improvements by noting how you feel during daily activities and workouts. You might notice less stiffness, better posture, or improved performance. Use a journal or app to record your routine and celebrate your progress over time. Everyone faces setbacks, whether it's an injury, illness, or busy schedule. If you miss a day or two, don't get discouraged. Just pick up where you left off and keep moving forward. Consistency over time is what leads to lasting results. Mobility routines don't have to be boring. Try new exercises, join a class, or invite a friend to join you. Mix things up to keep your routine interesting and enjoyable. The more fun you have, the more likely you are to stick with it. To sum up, a daily mobility routine is one of the best things you can do for your body and mind. It helps you move better, feel better, and live better, no matter your age or fitness level. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the benefits of a more mobile, active life. Thanks for watching, and here's to moving better every day.